Stop letting that frustrating tap to retry error derail your YouTube binge session. Today, we're tackling that stubborn YouTube tap to retry message to get you back to watching your favorite videos without a hitch. First things first, let's address the most common culprit: your internet connection. Head to your phone settings and turn your Wi-Fi off for about 10-15 seconds. Then turn it back on. This simple refresh can often re-establish a stable connection. If Wi-Fi isn't the issue, or you're using mobile data, try toggling your mobile data off and on the same way. Ensure you have a strong signal. Still seeing that error? It might be time to give the YouTube app itself a fresh start. Navigate to your phone settings and find the Apps or Applications section. Locate and tap on the YouTube app from the list. Inside the app settings, you'll see an option for storage. Tap on that. Now, tap the Clear Cache button. This removes temporary files that might be causing the problem without deleting any of your downloaded videos or account information. If clearing the cache doesn't do the trick, you can try Clear Data. Be aware that this will sign you out of your account and reset some app preferences, so you'll need to log back in. After these steps, try opening YouTube again. The tap to retry error should be gone, and you can enjoy uninterrupted viewing. If the problem persists, it's worth checking if there's an update available for the YouTube app in your device's app store. Keep your apps updated for the best experience.